And I'm going to show you my car I got at Target. And just so you know, thanks for all the like and support on my Minecraft video. So thanks. Yeah. Okay. So here it is. It's in the kitchen. It's right there. It's right there. So I'm going to pause the video and get it charged. Bye. So everyone, here it is. Okay. So as you see there, here's the controls. Like, which one is which? So, this is forward. This is backwards. This is left. This is right. So, and just so you know, here's the car. And then, so, just ignore that, people. And then, so I'll give you a close-up of it. And then, if you see this, just leave it like that. And
it was a 360 area code.
And then so yeah, and then there you go. So let's give it a test drive. So guys, I hope you can see this as best as you can. Because my sister's being a wah-wah, being a lazy fool. I'm not going to be able to go really that fast because I have only one hand.
By donating, you can save a pet from being one of the 9,000 children's shelters each day. To donate, visit bestfriends.org/join. And together, we can save them all.
This holiday season, I wish every kid could.
Let's make Milk Hungry a reality for all kids.
Visit foodnetwork.com/hungry pasta. Perfect. Now I'm going to show you what it is. Show it says sugo. If it stands on its own, you got it popping over. When it's done. And here, my balls, my socks, 3.5 hours. Now, I want to remove my wrist.
So I hope you liked the video. Don't dumb down, guys. And your sister was being a wah-wah.